the unboxing knife. You're here for one reason. I'm here for one reason. I'm here to unbox a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and you're here to watch me do it. Hey guys, Aaron here with another unboxing video, and this one I'm a little excited about. I played hooky from work to stay home to take delivery of this. I know, sounds kind of silly, but I did it, and it came just a little bit ago, and I want to get it opened up so I can play with it. Let's start, shall we? From Verizon. Let's get started. It's very nice of you, Verizon. So this device is the 256 gig. It is on wow, $1,159. That's pretty expensive with taxes and everything. It came out to, well, the phone actually was $1,099.99. Came out to $1,238.39. So 256 Verizon, whatever, they got all these fees in there and stuff. So here is the actual, here it is. This is what we've been waiting for. Pretty basic Samsung-esque box. Note 10, nice blue S Pen on the front. Little seals, I guess, showing me that the device has not been opened. So, I mean, that's nice that you're not sending me a open device, Samsung. We definitely appreciate that. Let's get right into that. So here is the Note 10 256 gig Aurora, which I'm a little excited about it. I'll be honest, for a homosexual, I don't sport a lot of rainbows in my life. I don't think I have any rainbows in my life. So, because I have a major lack of rainbows in my life, I figured this would be nice to go with this reflective, shiny rainbow edition. And as you can see, it is living up to the hype. This is gorgeous. I know I touched it in the store, but actually seeing it, knowing that this is gonna be, or it is mine, it's gonna be mine, it's pretty exciting. So I know for those of you out there with this weird obsession with plastic coming off, this one's for you. Did you like that? All right, now my buddy Coach, who just lives a couple cities over from me, put a post up on Twitter earlier today, and he said, hey, if you want to actually see your phone in the sun with some UV blockers, then you got to take this built-in screen protector off. One more for you guys. In the box, we've got the normal Samsung boxy type stuff. Nothing there. We've got us a little charger. It says this is a 25 watt charger, so I think this is a little bit more than what Samsung has normally shipped with in the past, so that's a big plus. And of course, we've got us some black USB-Cs. These are a little different than what we're used to seeing in Samsung phones. They're a little bit more bulkier, feels a little thicker. Would have been nicer to get a little rope action going, kind of like they had on the OnePlus McLaren. Not sure what the OnePlus 7 Pro shipped with. I sadly missed out on that device, which I held the other day hanging out with my buddy Leo, the Android stud, and I totally regretted not getting that phone because it felt amazing in my hand. Now here we've got the rope action, which is pretty cool, but we have a USB-C plug because this device has no headphone jack, as we can see, but they were nice enough to send some earbuds that ship with it. So thanks, Sammy, thanks. And these are definitely better quality. They're tuned again by AKG. Says it right there, AKG, and they give me a little selection of earbuds to play with. I will probably never use those earbuds. Maybe I will. I probably never will. I use wireless. It's the way the world is. This device is packed with a screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for touch screen features. I'm pretty sure they are referring to the under display fingerprint scanner. So let's go ahead and get this thing loaded up. I will tell you, on first glance, the first thing I notice when I go to touch this phone, I've had Samsung phones almost very consistently in my life for the past 10 years. I always have a Samsung phone. Been a fan of the Note and the S series for as long as they've been around. And the power button is missing. Somebody stole my power button. That is the first thing I'm noticing here. So that feels super weird to me. I'm used to going boop, 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 and I can't boop, boop. So I've got the Bixby button, which I'm told duals as a power button, and I've got my rocker, which I will tell you right now, compared to my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which is an amazing device, this thing feels very premium. It feels phenomenal. So really quick, at a glance, this thing feels amazing. It feels like a super solid device. My Galaxy S10 also feels like a really solid device. I don't really think one of them feels more premium than the other, but the sheer size of this and the look and the feel of it, I mean, I'm gonna just go ahead and say it. I feel like this is the future. Like we are literally in the future right now with this device. A future without a power button where it should be. But let's go ahead and power it up and just kind of see this experience, this beautiful Samsung startup experience. All right, this is the Verizon model. So it probably has a little bit of Verizon bloatware on there, so that is kind of sad. Alright guys, that's the beginning of my adventure with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Or is it Max? Is it Max or Plus? I think it's Plus. Oh, why can't they just pick something and stick to it? Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I don't want to bore you with me setting up my device. I'm going to take the time, set it up proper so I can have a good user experience with it. And then I want to report back to you guys, probably sometime by the end of today, maybe tomorrow morning, and let you know what I actually think and feel about this device. What do I feel the shortfalls are, or what do I feel are the added benefits? Until then, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, it's just an unboxing video. But if you liked it and you want to see more of my face, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see less of my face, hit the thumbs up button. But no matter what you do, don't forget to subscribe. For the love of tech, thanks for watching. Till next time, namaste.